Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I got a fitting, another fitting to unbox, and this is a full solid brass fitting, 135 degree. This is a shower head fitting. I got this as the project for my shower head to duplicate, turn it into dual shower heads. So pretty much I got this. I don't remember the brand name of this. We'll open it up and see. I don't see it, what it says. Auto extension. I don't know. Let's see if it says inside. If it doesn't, I'll tell you in a minute. G Sunny. There you go. So it's called G Sunny is the brand name. So this is what I got. And it says 135 degree. And that's what it looks like. That's the manual. That's a 90 degree. That's a 112. And this is the 135. And that's what I got. So, yeah. Let's see how cool this 112 works, or whatever the case may be. In the box, they give you some more of, plumber's tape. And then we got two rubber gaskets or grommets that are two totally different sizes. So hopefully that is supposed to be. Not that they gave me two different sizes, but they are two different sizes. This was, I think, like $11. It feels very heavy, but it was $11, so it was a little expensive. It wasn't like $5 for this thing. So this is a free rotating collar, so you should be able to tighten it right onto the shower and not have a problem. And this, will rotate to tighten it on, and there's the gasket in there. So this gasket, I don't know what it's for. Maybe just an extra one to make sure it reaches in there. I mean, I'm not sure what that one is. Now I got it stuck in there. And then there's nothing over here. So they give you extras. Maybe you just use a thicker one, maybe, I hope. I want to know. What is the truth? I can't get this out now, huh? So, yeah, so they give you two, and I don't know why, whatever. But this is what it looks like. That's an unboxing review of it. That's what it feels like. That's the size, so you guys can compare. I don't really have a quarter or anything to hold it up to tell you how big exactly this is. But yes, this is kind of what it's going to look like and what you can expect. Alright, so if you have any questions or comments about it, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I got help from the community. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Enjoy. Bye-bye.